Hi, today I want to show you what brands of oil pastels I use. If you're very serious about painting with oil pastels, I believe that you should go straight for really good brands like Sennelier and Holbein. Uh, Personally, I think that they're both very good. And in this video, I want just to show you a slight difference between these brands. I really like Sennelier. They come in various sets, like 24, if I'm not wrong, 24 colors, 48, 72, and the whole set like 128 colors. The most expensive set. Now it's really expensive. So I think that compared to Holbein, Sennelier has really good dark transparent colors, and these colors are very good in mixes. Like for instance, I'm showing you this ultramarine blue, which is very rich and creamy. And so if you add, for instance, white, you can see that it's really, you know, you have this beautiful ultramarine, light ultramarine. And basically, so Sennelier pastels have this point. Do you see this point? Okay. Yeah, and Holbein pastels are square. In this sense, so it's very good. Holbein pastels are very good for painting details and also covering, large areas of something of a shape. And they're both, I think they're both really rich in pigment. But there is some slight difference because I think that light value colors are less intense in Holbein than in Sennelier. And like for instance, I'm also adding ochre color of Holbein, and you see it's kind of, so the color is not very intense in Holbein. I mean, it's okay, but it's not very creamy. But if we take let's say we take the same Holbein color, which is really nice color, dark green, and we add creamy yellow. This is actually a jumbo stick of Sennelier, and it's really creamy. You see, I even can add lighter value, like really rich yellow upon green, which is not, unfortunately, which is not possible with, it's like, you see, I cannot, reach this effect. So, and I believe that, let's see, let's try some blue. Let's try blue, medium range blue, like also Holbein, which is really nice blue. But so if we add just white, really, this is Holbein. No, this is, sorry, Holbein is yeah, this is light. It's and Holbein is also kind of harder when you feel it. It's harder than Sennelier. So we just add some light. It's actually a little bit of white. You see, the effect is nice, but if we just add I have a jumbo stick of Sennelier, it's actually not jumbo, but you see the effect is so much different. It's actually can even leave marks like this. It's very, very creamy, and this is Sennelier. So you can see that the light and medium values of Sennelier are much creamier than Holbein, and it helps you to create this beautiful, you know, effects, like in oil, adding more and more layers, you know. Also, I believe that Sennelier, and this is Sennelier too, you see it's very rich blue, violet blue. It's more like violet blue, and I think that they create a better, they're really better in mixing, you know, when you mix colors. I can even add this gray. I can add gray to blue. You see, I'm adding, and it's still, you see gray and you see blue at the same time, and it's a beautiful effect. The same as, like, for instance, you see it's very creamy. It's pink. This is Sennelier, not Holbein, Sennelier. And I add white. You see, I can add white, and it's there. It's create this beautiful magenta. This is magenta, I think. And if I also use pink and add Holbein, now it's only this color. So yeah, it's good for mixing. Actually, this is Holbein, also light pink. But you see, this is okay. But you see, the effect is so different. So this is the basic difference between both brands. Both of them are very good in terms of pigment, but light values in Holbein are weaker in pigment than in Sennelier. So this is basically it. So see you next time. Oops, sorry.